Who is first, you or they? Who is sir? You or they? Sir, Tanzala.
In the name of Allah, the most kind and the most merciful. Nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, generator, operator of this beautiful cosmos. First of all, I would like to thank my greatest Allah, then Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and then my parents, my teacher, and my all friends who make me able to speak, walk, and learn. I am very thankful to all, and I say Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
I am Sidra Salim and I am the leader of my team. My team name is Terminator. She is Anam, she is Tanzila, she is Hafsa, and he is Salman. Today, my debate topic about the European countries are the best.
European countries are the best.
Yeah. Because the European countries contain the France, the father of all countries. Switzerland, UK, and France are the veto power in UN. Asia contains of only one, China. And China is on 5th number on nuclear power. And before 3s, then Europe, before 3s, UK, Russia, and France. And number 1 is USA. But let me tell you one thing, that United States developed the first atomic weapon during World War II. Cooperation with the United Kingdom. That's it.
Good job here. The first point was up. Point up to be raised up.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Nothing is yours and nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is creator, operator of this beautiful world. Then I would like to thank Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and my parents, my teachers, my God of repute, who made me able to speak, learn, walk. And I say Assalamu alaikum to all. And my next partner say you something.
As we know that today's debate, and so I give debate topic about Asia
and Europe.
And we are choosing Asia. Before I start debate, I want to introduce my team. My team introduction is this.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Saqib.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Janze.
And this is Muhammad Hamid. And our team name is
Zipingo.
Yeah, good to go.
Asia. The word of Asia is a surface word, which means sun rises. Asia is the world's largest content and most popular content all over the world. And it is covered 8.7% all over the earth. And the population of it is covered by 30%. And my sister, you say USA. USA is not a European country.
USA is not a European country. He wanted to say that USA is not a European country. You know there? Yeah. Madam Sirat.
I am saying that the USA, about USA is number 1. But I am saying that the UK and UK France also the the atomic powers.
They are atomic powers.
Sorry.
I can forgive you.
Power. Yeah, nuclear powers.
They are nuclear
Nuclear
power.
power.
She said about the nuclear power. Yeah, anyone has power? Say out.
In
Sakir.
China, listen to me. In China, there are a lot of countries are the nuclear power.
Yeah.
Like similar that the China and the Pakistan also the nuclear power and India. Okay.
Yeah.
And Iran become to the nuclear power.
Yeah.
Number 1, United States.
Yeah.
Number 2, Russia.
Yeah.
Number 3, UK.
Yeah.
Number 4, France. Then number 5 is China.
Number 5 is China in the last category of there. Number 5 is China. What do you say about it? Come on up, Joseph. Rosa. Come on, Rosa. Come on, Phil.
In Asia, in half the Pakistan,
Yeah.
and the Pakistan in the WLP. I very love the WLP, and Asia have the my home. I very love my home, my parents, my teacher. Asia have also.
Pakistan, WLP, my home is my love you, my home very much. Come on up, sir.
I want to ask a question. Why you come in WLP and learn English language?
Why you came in WLP and learn English language? Yeah.
Because we get the education in the Karachi University and English language is must to level of MBA, CA and like similar bala courses for the high level. That's
For the
why
high level courses we are learning English language.
If your Asian countries are the best, so why you don't learn your own languages like the Sindhi,
Yeah.
like the Pakistani,
Yeah.
Urdu, like the Persians, etc. Why you learn just European language, British language, English?
Why you didn't learn the British European language British?
my dear, I also have Sindhi, Memni, Balochi, Punjabi, Bihari, Saraiki, Gujarati, Kathiawadi, Urdu, and many more language I have speak.
Good
That's
job.
why.
Now you can speak. Tama Kathiawadi, kilo mala.
Guru hal hai.
Mashallah. Kathiawadi. Come on.
Language of another thing. Another language that Punjabi, Balochi, Saraiki,
Yeah.
Kathiawadi,
Yeah.
Memani.
Yeah.
That's why Memani Kathiawadi.
Yeah.
No, Kanokoba,
Yeah.
Kathogori,
Yeah.
like similar.
Kato thoda kala body.
This is meaning it.
Zina lana.
Our debate topic about not language. Our topic is which content is better? Asian and Europe.
That's why your language is Asia.
Yeah.
That's why your first partner.
The first partner is
language Sindhi, Balochi,
Yeah.
Pathani, Pashtabi. That's why.
Ashtabi. Come on.
My brother, this is the part of Asia. Sindhi, Memon, Pathan, Balochi are live in the Asia. That's why we are talking about the Asia.
Yeah, that's all Asia. That's why anyone is there? Yeah, who will describe more? Come on. Anyone is here? Sadra.
It's the part of Asia, but your partner said that our topic not the languages. Our topic is Asian, and my partner said that why you learn languages? If your Asian countries are the best, so you use your languages. Why you your European languages?
Now why is the European language here? Come on.
Who says we use spiritual language? Chinese use Chinese language. This is a national language of Chinese. Pakistan use Urdu. This is a national language of Pakistan and also many countries. But we want to communicate for others countries. That's why we spoke English, not for national language, English language.
Okay, now for national language. Come on, anyone here? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. Start.
Europe contains more atomic power than Asia. That's why I am saying Europe countries are the best.
Europe country best. Okay.
In the Asia, there is some religious by unity, religious by unity come in the this country in this Saudi Arabia. So, and Saudi Arabia also in the Asia. And at the Hajj, many people come in this, and more.
Yeah, come on, tell us.
More people come there. And the Saudi Arabia. This is the biggest human community at this Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, good job here. Come on. Guys, I know you are in fast. Have a big hand with them.
About the unity.
Yeah.
In Asian countries, there is no unity. We listen in news, the Balochi tell the parties in there, the MPM, the People's Party, why they fight to others?
They have no unity. They fight to each other. And how can you say that they have unity? Come on. Tell us.
I have the proof.
What proof?
The European Union countries, what's going on in the European unions? I have the proof. Please.
What do you have proof?
The movie of the European countries. You can see that.
I want to hear it. Why I don't want these things? Come on.
In this movie, as you know, watching that, the European countries are going on with the crashes and circumstances and corruption, and what's going on in this movie, as you can see that. Blasting going on and target killing, fighting.
Yeah, what's going on? I cannot see the dog. You see it. Too much Derek. They're singing a song.
No singing a song. This is a
I don't know. They will say. I don't know. They will say. Come on. I want to be bring it, bro. Come on.
In Asian countries, the bomb blasting, target killing, snitching, looting, all things going on in Asian countries. Not the European countries.
Now going European country, all thing going in Asia country. Come on outside here. Oh, I'm not.
You are saying about bomb blasting, but in Europe there are lots of terrorists. In every street there are terrorists. I have a proof.
What do you have proof?
Biggest example of terrorists. Depend on terrorist country. They all European countries are terrorists. In that country they are terrorists. Every street, son killed his father, daughter killed her mother. They are and lots of snitching.
Where?
Europe, in Europe.
Huh? Come on. Let's show the proof here. Anyone?
All countries proof.
All countries prove. He has shown. Yeah, come on. Come on, come on.
Karachi is the famous terrorist of Rahman Taqi.
He has died. He has no more.
Rahman Taqi, you are famous terrorist.
Yeah. Rahman, Abdul Rahman was great. Yeah, anyone there? Don't take the name of the party, anyone. Come on, you.
In Europe, there is no respect women, but in Asia, respect father, son respect the father, daughter respect her mother.
Where?
In Asia.
In Asia,
yes,
they're respecting, but Europe, no respect.
No, sir.
No respect of Europe. Good job here. Come on.
In Europe, they all respect their elders, but in Asia, if you scold, if you beat your child, then the next time he replied you.
Where is that? Where is that?
Why celebrate the European Union's the Mother's Day, Father's Day in everywhere?
Why you are celebrating Mother Day, Father Day, Brother Day, Sister Day? Come on.
It's also celebrated in Asian countries also. In Pakistan,
Yeah.
also
In Pakistan, big celebration.
In India, also celebrate the all days.
Come on, India and Pakistan.
Who first celebrated?
Who first celebrated?
The Europe.
Europe.
Only the Pakistan in Asian countries. Okay?
Come on. Anyone there?
So why you follow the wrong rules? If the European countries celebrate these days, so why the Asian countries adopt their culture?
Why they adopted the culture here?
You are talking about Europe.
Yeah.
Give me one example of that country which is a good relation for other country.
One country there with a good relation to other country. Yeah, I know that.
Country.
I know that.
As you know very well, we are the Muslims.
Yeah.
Actually, your Islam said that respect your elders.
Yeah.
Then your home well as you country because cleanliness is a part of Islam.
Subhanallah. What a great point. Answer.
And I give a lots of example of Asian countries like Pakistan-China friendship, Saudi Arabia, Qatar friendship, and also Pakistan and Iran friendship. But in Europe there is no friendship.
There is no friendship with other countries, European. Tanzania.
First of all, I want to ask the question.
Listen out, questioning.
Tell me your country economically perfect?
Is your country economical perfect? A way of economical way is perfect? You would say again and again? Yes? The chance to go on.
My dear, Asia is the economically hub and economically heart of the entire world. Not only, we are not talking about the only one country. We are talking about the Asia.
Asia! I and up. You want to see that?
Okay. I want to tell you about the most dangerous countries in all over the world.
Yeah?
The number one,
Yeah.
Iraq.
Yeah.
Is it? Number two, United States.
Yeah.
Number three, Somalia.
Yeah.
Number four, the Afghanistan.
Yeah.
Number six, the Burundi. Number six, Venezuela, South Africa, Brazil, and then Russia.
Ah, the old thing. You said dangerous countries.
You are talking about Iraq. Top of the list, Iraq. Who made dangerous country Iraq? Of course, European countries made like Canada and many other. Russia makes Iraq like a dangerous country.
Who made the Iraq more danger? How Iraq became a danger? Anyone there? 1, 2, but now guys, here they are too much tired because they were practicing from morning, and right now they are playing. They need to take a long breath of relaxedness. That's why I'm giving up just a minute time for take a long breath. Thank you very much. It's small time of break. Thank you very much.
सर, इस क्वालिटी का माल देंगे तो हमें नुकसान होगा।
नुकसान नहीं, बस थोड़ा मुनाफा कम होगा। दूसरी और हम थोड़ी सी इज्जत।
जो वाइटल पीते हैं कुछ ऐसे जीते हैं। वाइटल, इससे अच्छी चाय अब शायद ना आए।
वाइटल पियो, जिंदगी जियो।
Europe.
Yeah?
Why the Asian country to play cricket, especially cricket?
Why that?
Pakistan, where you all living in England, nobody play hockey.
Yeah, your national game is hockey. Then why you are playing the European countries game? There is a game of the cricket. Why you are playing, especially in Pakistan?
My brother, this is your lack of concentration. In Pakistan, the national game of Pakistan is hockey.
Yeah.
Okay, you are right. The hockey is the national game of Pakistan.
Yeah.
In Pakistan, there are a lot of stadiums for the playing hockey. If you have the knowledge, okay?
If you have knowledge, you can see many places.
We talking about the majority, not a minority.
We tell the majority, not minority. You, Mr. Zizab.
Would you like to tell me how many countries are Europe?
How many countries are there in Europe?
47 countries.
47 countries in
Europe.
Europe. Joseph, why you ask?
Miss, you have lack of knowledge. In Europe, 49 countries.
Oh, come on. Anyone there? 1, 2, 2.
Sir, please tell me 49 names countries.
They will learn by themselves. They will learn by themselves. Too much time. These are 47 countries.
49, sir. 49, sir.
I'll learn it, okay? Give it to me. I will learn it. Hold on. Yeah, guys, come on up.
As you know very well.
What do you know?
Who is Albert Einstein?
Who is Albert Einstein? Who is Albert Einstein? 1, 2, You.
Albert Einstein is a scientist is made.
Ball. Ball.
Okay.
Yeah, scientist.
He was a scientist. He was born at Jörg, the Jörg in Germany on March 14, 1879. He made the formula of nuclear power, but in the end, he migrated to USA. That's why USA got the nuclear power. But still, Europe is the best because Einstein is from Germany and Einstein and Newton and the Einstein, Newton, Edison also in Europe.
They all are the European person who they invent many things. Yeah, Sami.
Dr. Abdul Kadir
Yeah.
and Dr. Abdul Karim
Yeah.
also are the scientists.
Yeah.
Also are the both are working in the Asia. In Pakistan and also in the Asia. So this is a comparison of Einstein.
The comparison of Einstein, whatever we said, come on.
What he made?
What did they make?
They made.
What did they make?
Scientists are all about atomic power, all in the electronic.
Atom, all a series of electronics.
Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan made the atomic bomb.
Yeah.
And what the using of atomic bomb, you know very well.
What are the use of atomic bomb? As you know very well about the atomic bomb. Yeah,
The uses of atomic bomb is that we save our country just because of nuclear power. But I think most of the countries of those countries who have not a nuclear power like Afghanistan, Iraq, and atomic power countries attack them just because of they have no atomic power. Atomic power saves your country.
Atomic power saves your country. Anyone there? 1, 2, 3.
I want to ask the question.
Yeah, just questioning.
Are you happy from your electricity in Asia?
Are you happy there's electricity in your Asia?
Yeah, I'm fine. Let me tell you one thing. Just tell you one thing. In Europe, nobody know in the religions,
Yeah.
and nobody know who is creator, who is operator. He's doing just for worship. He's just doing worship. And in the Asia, everybody know in the religions, Islam or except or any other religion. But in the Europe, nobody know who is this.
The European, no one knows the religious way, but it's the Asian people, they all go in the religious way, the who's the right, who's the wrong, this and that, blah, 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 thing.
In the Asian people not follow this thing.
Yeah.
They are so called very well this thing.
The Jew guys now follow the, come on.
My dear, not you say in Asia not follow the one God?
No, they are not following this thing. Whatever they have in mind, never follow up.
Who says? You have proof? You have proof?
What proof?
The following proof? He says that who's not follow?
Yeah.
So give me proof. Give me proof.
Yeah. Come on, tell.
This is not proof
Yeah.
game, this is debate game.
There is none of proving game, this is a debate game. Up down, my friend. Out of something. Yeah.
Of this world.
Yeah.
Of this world.
Come on.
The cricket
Yeah.
is the famous game
Yeah.
of this world.
Yeah.
But the Pakistan,
Yeah.
the fast bowler Shoaib Akhtar,
Yeah.
he is the Pakistani and the Asian.
Pakistani fast bowler is the Shoaib Akhtar Malik. Come on here.
But the cricket is the games of Europeans, not
Yeah,
the
cricket is
Asians.
the game of the European, not the Asian game. Cricket is...
In Asia, we talk about the creation of cricket is a European game.
Yeah.
But you like to tell me how many countries in Europe they get a World Cup?
How many countries of Europeans got the World Cup?
I can explain you in Asia how many countries and how many times they get World Cup.
Come on.
In Europe, but why the cricket games plays in Asian countries? But it's because it's not the national game of Asian countries. Because you know very well the Europe are best, that's why you adopt their.
The why you are playing your cricket here, you know very well that it is not the Asian European game. The hockey is your
It's a
game.
European game. We are playing okay tournament. But below there's the Asian product. Why Europeans use it?
It's the Asian product.
Below there's the Asian product.
Yeah.
Asian product. So why European is using and purchasing?
Now why European are using these materials? Come on.
Like, I want to tell you one thing. The majority Muslims use the jeans of Levi's, Nike, Regal, shoes of Puma. It's also the invention of European country.
The invention of European country.
My respective sister, you say about cricket. In Asia, majority of countries have playing cricket, like India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Canada, and many other. And Pakistan get one time World Cup, India 2 times, Sri Lanka 2 times, and also Pakistan have get one time T20 World Cup, and India have also one time. And you talk about Europe and Asian people. You say why Asian people adopt cricket? Because Asian people play on by their talent, not by adopting.
Yeah, come on up. Great point here. Yeah, Sudha.
Motorbikes. Do you know who invented the bikes?
Yeah.
The Sylvester Howard Roper. He was born in UK, November 24, 1823, and invented a motorbike in 1869. He got education in Cambridge University. It's also the invention of European countries.
Yeah, come on, motorbike, cycle.
But my sister, Asia also provides the many more things in the international market. Okay, like similar that everything you can if you go to the market. Also, every shopman say all thing is China, all thing is China, all thing is China. What is this? What is this?
We don't have much time here. We have just 3 minutes and 2 pointer from here, 2 pointer from here. Let's check it out how they'll play right now. Who will come for us top? Salman, come up. And who will come from up? Who will come up? Who's here? Joseph. Salman and Joseph. Then both are too much energetic people out there. And let's check it out. How will they play today? Let's check it out today right now.
Start.
It's muting some of the from high joblessness and European people.
Who's saying? The Pakistan, of course, the highest national jobless. And my second question is that how many? The Europe, how many have atomic powers country?
Europe is the
What? I'm saying how many countries are the Europe atomic power?
Oh, come on, speak up, come on!
Europe is the atomic power.
What I'm saying, the best. What I'm saying, you know?
Oh, come on,
what is
come on.
Europe is best.
Just
atomic
best.
power. Just a minute.
Come on up. Here's up. 1.
What is that, my
Two.
brother? The Pakistan, the Asia, the world, very good look, and the China going on the very first, and the Japan is going on the first, and Japan ID market, it's something all over the world. And yes, my brother, it's not going to Asia country, it's of course the Asia country. What is that, my brother? Who else gives the, who else gives us like this? Of course, Asia gives us like this. That is my brother. Asia gives us like this, and Asia gives you like this. Asia have a lot of power,
Good job. Yeah, good job. Go on. There is a leader to leader. Come here. Now, Sidra, are you ready? Sati, are ready? You are leader and she is leader. Let's see it up.
First, you tell me what is the meaning of Europe.
I tell you, but first you give me the answer.
First, you tell me what is the meaning of Europe, and after that you can ask me any question. First, you tell me what is the meaning of Europe. And why you says that Europe is the best than the Asia?
Europe is the best because the Europe countries provide free medical. They have the fresh food. The France is better than America because they give the free medical. But in Asian countries, there is no.
Asia provide the fertilizer. Without water you can live. Without water you can live. Without backbone your body is on standing condition. First you tell me. Like similar that Asia provide everything to the Europe and fertilizer. Without fertilizer you can operate your
who buy the all thing. If the European countries
tell me my question answer. First tell me. You tell me. First you tell me.
I tell you. I want to tell the first thing is that.
First question is mine. That's why
I give you the answer. But first you listen my topic. First, the free medical. If European countries, if any person is jobless, so the government gives all grant. If the milk money, the government gives. But in Asian countries,
in Asia, if you go to China, Bharat,
China is
everything. That's very cheap prices. China provides cheap milk.
Hard, jumping. You're the boss. Jump up the boss. Okay, now receive you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now guys, it's the time of speech. Now we're gonna call from here who will come up for speech. Anam. Anam will come up for speech. Come here, Anam. Fast. Start.
In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. Nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is creator of beautiful world. Then I would like to thank Allah, then Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Then my parents, my teacher and my friends, who made me able to speak all and learn. I am a thankful God and thankful God. This topic is about discipline in life. Discipline is that thing which make your life. Discipline learns us how to spend a good life in this society. Without discipline, no one can be successful in life. Take example of any department. It is because of discipline. It is because discipline that is which make your life discipline. If any person does not follow, he will never get out of his society. That's all.
Good, clap for her. Good job.
In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Each and everything is the creator of Allah. Allah, who is generator, who is creator, who is merciful of the great of Allah. At this time, I will come to the. I am coming to the speech for my speech for education. Education. Why education is necessary? Education is the precious gift of Allah. Education is the precious gift of Allah. In the Quran, many times acknowledged by Allah, and in the many times acknowledged by Allah for the education. And Rasulullah also said, you want to take the educate, you go in the China, and education give you as a human difference between human and the animals. For example, if nobody know in the animal and any human, so how do you identify the who is the best? And in the Quran, first time Allah was said Iqra. That means we need to educate.
Good job here right now, guys. Right now I'm gonna call the second partner, and all guys should here what they are saying right now here. Please attention here right now. Joseph, you are second partner?
Yes, sir.
Now, who will come from here? Hafsa, come up, fast.
Joseph, come on.
One, two, three, start.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Nothing is yours and nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, operator, and generator of this beautiful world. First of all, I would like to Allah thanks Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then my parents, then my teacher, and all my friends, who made me able to speak, walk, and learn. I am very, very thankful for it. Today my topic is about our guidance, our parents, our friends. My topic is teacher. Definition of teacher: who learn a single word. Who is teacher? Teacher is have a vital role in our life. Our first teacher is mother. Mother gives you.
Good job, clap for her, fantastic. Thank you very much. Great, fantastic. Now my name is called here. Joseph, come here. All right? Now.
I seek refuge in Allah from Satan to the outcast, Almighty Allah. Assalamu alaikum to all. Today my speech topic about separation of Pakistan. The separation of Pakistan because our leader, Sir Syed Ahmad Ali Khan, was thinking for separation. He was thinking India and the Pakistan was the separate because we are culture different, we are a language different, all things we are different because we are thinking the mind is the difference and yet we are the good poet. Allama Iqbal saying his poetry. He's saying we are the difference of the non-Muslims because we are follow the one Allah, but non-Muslims follow the all adults. And yet, my brothers, we are our leader Maulana Tahir Hussain Khalid, Zafar Ali, and Alautaf. He was just saying the one time. We are separate from the Hindus because we are going to performing namaz. Yeah. So we are the culture different. It means we are different because we are one big country of the Hindustan.
Thank you very much, guys. I did a fantastic job here. Now with the third round is that worms round, as you know that. Now we're gonna call here 2 person from here, 2 person from there for a worm. Come on, Syed. Come on. Come on. Come on, Syed. Jaldi aa jao. Come up. Now, come here. You come here. Come closer. Towards here, like a judge. Now, guys, you are second partner, third partner. First now, second partner, third partner, first your leader. Yeah, and you are first, you are second and third. You are coming, you are going. Okay now. Now you are first, second. First, second. Now equal addition here. Now guys, you confirm you are. Okay, now you can ask 5 words in Urdu, in English. You ask in Urdu, they reply in English. You ask in English, they reply in Urdu. And same as here, you will do the same as whatever they will do it. Okay. Now who will start first? You ask 5 questions to them. First you. Oh my God, there's not much time, bro. Here. Come on, do it, Neeraj. Stop, Neeraj. I don't have money here. Start. Accept. Kabul karna. 1 question, 1 right. Gabrana.
Shuddering.
You saying shuddering is a confused one, right? Come on. Confused. Wrong. What's the right? Shattering. Again now. 2 ask, 1 wrong, 1 right. Camp. First discuss, you have time, discuss to each other. Then say the 1 word. Khayma lagana. 3 ask, 2 right, 1 wrong. Last, come on up. You can ask up. Oh, no, wait here, bro. What's the question here? Come on up. Lapetna.
Rounding. Rolling.
Goal, lapetna.
Rounding. Rolling.
Wrong. Coil. 4 ask, 2 wrong, 2 right. Last remain. Huh? 1, 2. Amuse. Hey, Nigarosa, what are you doing here there? Amuse. 1, 2. Wrong. 3 wrong, 2 right. 3 wrong, 2 right. The other 5. Now it's your turn to ask them. Sure. Bag or bag? Spell out. B-A-K-E. B-A-K-E, bag. B-A-K, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last. Second up. Right. 2 more. Second one. Fast. 1.
Arrive.
Second, right. Ehsan. Done. There is portion, more portion there. There is more portion. You can ask both. Ehsan. The ehsan karna. There is no word. Yeah, I think there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, come on, answer them. Favor.
You can say that the favor for whose son.
Hey, stop here. Judges. Now guys, the fourth one. You ask 3, 2 right, 1 wrong. If there's, judge will check it out. If the right or wrong, then we'll tell. Come on, fourth one. 1. 82. Attitude. There is. Sure. Gurur. Okay, now, right. Last. Then. Last, yeah. Sekna. Wait. Okay, now 5 you ask, 4 right, 1. Favor is not inside here. That means you ask the wrong question. Then 5 right. 5 right because you asked the wrong part of it. Okay, now 5 question and 5 right. Thank you very much. Now, individual way. Come here, sir. Individual, 1 by 1. Now you can ask 3 words You can answer 3. You can answer 3. You can answer 3. Like that, okay? You both. No. Turn up. Turn up. You come here. You go there. Like here. Leader. Stop. First one word. Barking. Bogana. Second one.
Swimming.
Swim. Terna. You're drunk. Yeah. Third one. Participate. It's Alina. You are 3. One. Jama karna.
Collection.
Add. In a word book there's add. No, in a word book there's add. There's no collection.
Collection is a noun.
Collection is a
collect
noun.
the verb. We would say, but the collect that should be counted.
Yeah, come on. Tareef karna. Admire. 2 right, 1 wrong. 1 right, 1 wrong. Last. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. It's Alina. Participate. You both are. Okay, now 2 right, 1 wrong. 3 right, 3 right. Bully. Don't know. Buddy. Berry. Dafnana. Blush. Don't know. 2 wrong, 1 right. This team. It's bingo. Now you ask to him. Nasihat karna. 1, 2, 3. Don't you know? पहुंचना है पहुंचना 1 पहुंचना पहुंचाना पहुंचना 2 3 4 5 लास्ट खेती बाड़ी करना there is no agriculture here wrong yeah wrong 3 hours 3 wrong 3 hours 2 wrong 1 right 1 hour right 2 wrong same as here thank you very much now your work there is open right go on thank you very much guys listen up now is it time to ask the comment how were they playing yeah Joris how were they playing up
The Wolfpack played very well. The competition was looking really tough. I wish to both teams that
yeah
I played very well.
Yeah, good job.
They played tremendous job in this side and in this side also. But let's see what happens after some time.
Let's see what's up. Now, guys, you know very well. They played a fantastic, tremendous job. But now is a small time of appeal. They will appeal for award. Now, whoever team is a favorite, you can easily award them. Now they come up in front of you guys. Now, Terminator, come up and appeal for award. Come up. Start.
Assalamu alaikum. As you know very well, our team played very well. Because our team worked hard in this debate because it's the quarter-final. We won the 3 matches, that's why I become in this stage. But again, if you want to see us, if you want to replay us, so please vote for us. The voting, you go in Facebook, search the Wasim space learning space point space voting. Please vote for us, and our team name is Terminator. Don't vote to other people.
Thank you very much. Great job here. Now if it is favorite team, you can easily vote them. This is the process of voting. Now we're gonna call here. The another team is the Zipingo. Who is your favorite team? Easily vote them. Zipingo, come up. Zipingo, what do you think? Will you win? Start.
As we know that we played very well debate. If you are thinking that we played our best debate and you get lots of knowledge, so please vote for my team. My team name is Zipingo. And remember, vote. You can go on Facebook and write the search area Wasim space learning space voting. And remember that our team name is Zippingo.
Thank you very much, great job here. Thank you very much, guys. Now, the whole thing is French. Now I can see, guys, you can shake your hand to your partner there, mingle to people there, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Same time, same channel, same to me. Here, Allah, Khudai Mamal, Allah with Washat Khan.
Thank you.